Hi guys, so in this short tutorial I'm gonna show you how to fix Snapchat camera full screen. First thing, open the settings on your phone and then go to the apps manager. When you open the apps, go to the Snapchat app right here, and now all what you want to do is click on the permissions option here and make sure that the camera permission is enabled. If it's not, then you have to turn it on, and after that go back, click on the storage right here, click on this clear data option, and then go back. And now all what you want to do next is go to the settings on your phone, go to the wireless and networks, enable the airplane mode for 5 seconds and then disable it. Exactly like this. That's it guys, don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this tutorial until the very end. See you later.